Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about how to use outfit codes in Roblox 2023. So this is going to be working in 2024 as well. So the first thing that you need to be doing is that first of all, from your browser of your choice, head over to your search bar and type in there Roblox. And once you do, you will be eventually headed over to their website link and click on that. Now make sure that you are logged in into your account. If you are not, or even if you do not have an account, make sure you create one. And once you are inside your account, we need to head over to this particular marketplace option. So click on marketplace, and now here you can see we have different categories, items, accessory, clothings, and different type of hairstyles which are limited, premium, and so on and so forth. So searching for a particular one sometimes is really difficult and could be challenging. So for that, if you want to share a particular item with your friend or something like that, you can simply use the code. So let's say I have this set of pixel meme sunglasses and I want to share them with my friends. So what I can do is, you can see in our URL box or the URL search bar, we have this code going on right after this catalog, right? So simply copy this like this and click on copy. Once you do, we are good to go. Now let's say your friend is on the marketplace area, and here he have this catalog written. What he needs to do is simply drag everything that is in front of that and press escape and enter a /. It should something like this, and you can see it is already showing up in here, but we need to enter the one that we need. The ID that was previously showing was something I entered previously, and click on enter. As long as he does this, you can see the glasses are opened darkly without any issue. And yeah, so that's a pretty simple process on how you can share or use the ID, the catalog ID, or the outfit codes in Roblox. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.